Hi. Happy New Year everyone. Today, I'm going to upload almost all my tutorial codes on a website and make those codes freely available for everyone to use. This is the website URL. Open the website in a browser. Click on the Browse Tutorials button. Choose the framework whose tutorials you want to access. There are various options like Pine Script tutorials, Android Java tutorials, Kotlin Android, Flutter, HTML, and CSS. Click any option you want. I'm going to click the Pine Script tutorial option. And here you can see various Pine Script tutorials listed. Just click this download icon here. I'm clicking this first tutorial. The code is getting downloaded. And there you go. The code gets downloaded in a zip file. There are literally hundreds of tutorials available on this website in each of the frameworks. If you scroll down way down the page and now want to go back all the way up, then, just click this circular button here. That will take you to the top of the web page. I hope this helps everyone. Thanks for watching.